The first batch of prospective pilgrims for the 2018 Hajj has left for Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Over 400 passengers left the Tamale airport on board a Saudi Arabian Airline FlyNas.
The Interior Minister, Mr. Ambrose Dery, commended the Hajj board for organizing an incident-free Hajj.
Hajj is the fifth pillar of Islam, making it one of the most important traditions in the Muslim faith. All Muslims are required to take part in the Hajj at least once, provided they are physically and financially able to make the journey. The Interior Minister, Mr. Ambrose Dery, advised the prospective pilgrims to live up to his expectation.
The President is very cautious and very sensitive about the image of Ghana outside. And therefore, as you heard me admonish the pilgrims, they are going there as ambassadors for Ghana, and we expect them to be law-abiding, to make sure that their behavior portrays the discipline and the respect for the rule of law as the Ghana which Mr. President and
The chairman of the Hajj board, Sheikh Kwe, said government has paid all outstanding debts of about 31 million cedis owed by the Hajj board.
If the government had not paid those debts, there wouldn't have been Hajj last year, and today there wouldn't have been any Hajj at all. The PCP of Islam states that if you have the means, go and perform the Hajj. If you have someone also to support you, go and perform the Hajj.
The regional minister, Mr. Salifu Said, commended government and the Hajj board for choosing to use the Tamale airport for this year's Hajj. He advised the pilgrims to be of good behavior. The Director of Communications of the Hajj Board, Mr. Sadiq Abubakar, said the pilgrims will have agents and a medical team and will be housed in the same hotel in Mecca. He briefed the media on how the pilgrims will be taken care of in Mecca.
They are going according to their agents. Every agent is supposed to fly with his or the pilgrims. We do not want a situation where pilgrims will reach Mecca and then they cannot find them. They will be housed in the same hotel with their agents. And the agents will ensure that they have group leaders both in their various groups as well as in other activities or rituals that happen. This year, we are sending 25 security men spread through these security agencies, the Ghana Armed Forces, the Ghana Police Service, as well as fire. Their key responsibility is going to be to protect us, maintain peace and order, just as we do when they go on the